Tracy here. So I've got two videos for you today that we've compiled into one video. The first one is taking your videos that you've recorded and putting them on DaVinci Resolve 19. Second video is going to be taking those videos from DaVinci Resolve 19, what you've saved in your files, and then putting them on your YouTube channel. So I've got two separate things for you to watch today. Hopefully they help. When we first started learning how to do the editing and learning how to do uploading and all that kind of stuff, it was so challenging trying to find the right videos. So we hope that this is just going to be a simple, easy to use guide for you to be able to upload those videos, save those videos to YouTube like you want to, and we just hope that you have the best success. Thanks so much for watching. Here we are on our DaVinci Resolve 19 main page where we've created our video. If you need help with creating a video, Roger also has a video and it's very easy to use. You'll be able to get your video all edited just like you want it. So this is where we are going to export our video out of DaVinci so that we can use it for YouTube or whatever else you need to use it or save it. So we're going to go down here, all the way down to the right at the bottom. We're going to hit that rocket. So the rocket puts us in the mode to be able to render our file. What I do is I do the H.265 master. And after we hit that, you're going to go down to what your title is, your file name. So you want your file name to describe your video the best. So today we're going to we're going to render the video I made about doing cookies, making cookies in my van. So I think the best name I can come up with for this is probably going to be gluten-free, no bake cookies in my van. Okay, so there's my file name, and that will transfer over to your YouTube file when you go to upload that, and you want to make sure that it's what you want because you won't be able to change that on YouTube once it's done. Then in location, we're going to browse to find out where we want to put this when it saves. For me, I like to go up here, drop this down, and I like to put these in videos. So it's going to save in videos. I've got my title right here, my file name, and then I'm going to hit save. We're going to scroll down. We have our video check marked here. We're going to export video. QuickTime, H.265, which is what we already clicked. We're going to auto, we want auto. And let's see here. Encoder is auto, I already said that. That converts your data automatically to the correct specifications. Then we have our resolution, which is what we want. It's the default usually. It's just automatically going to do that. If you were doing a vertical video, you would click the vertical resolution. We're not doing that today. Then we have frame rate, which is 30. I do not do the chapters for markers yet. I need to investigate that a little bit more. So then we're going down to automatic. We want best, definitely. We're going to go down here. If I can get my thing to move. We have encoding profile, and that we just leave that main, automatic. Let's see what else. So then I'm going to go all the way down here to advanced settings. Everything else here looks good. Main, automatic, frame reordering, preset, balanced. Then you're going to go to advanced settings. You're going to check mark force sizing to highest quality. It's already on auto. So right here, force sizing to highest quality, force debayer to highest quality, because we want the highest quality for our video. Then we're going to go down here. All right, we're not going to go down there. We're going to go all the way back up. And we're going to hit audio. We want our codec to be linear, PCM. And then, don't worry about what that means. I know what it means, but it's complicated and I don't understand it, so that's okay. We just know it needs to be linear PCM. Oops, now I changed it. Click that out of there. Now bit depth is 24, which is what we want. That's just the range of sound that you're going to get, which is 24. Auto normalization, you're going to normalize the audio. So we're going down here, click on that. We want to normalize our audio, so we click that. Normalize to standard is what automatically comes up. And then what we want our standard to be is YouTube, because that's where I'm heading. That's where I am putting my video. So it's going to put that to the specifications for YouTube. Okay, so all of that is done. Next, what we want to do is very important. You want to go down to the beginning of your video. We're going to click on that. We're going to hit I for in, and then we're going to go all the way to the end, because we're going to hit O, because we're going to have the in and the out where we want that video to start and stop. So then you click O. So now it knows where it's going in and where it's going out. Then we're going to go up here to add to render queue. And then we're going to do render 1. And then that's all you do. Now it's going to do its thing. While you wait, don't touch anything. And right now it is uploading, and this one's going to be pretty quick because it's not very long. Once that is finished, then you should be able to go into your files and find your video, where I saved mine in videos. Then after you do that, you will, we'll do I'll show you next what we do after that. So if you have any questions, if you want to put those in the comments, that would be great. Something, if there's a question you had or something I missed, disclaimer, I'm not a computer guru. I am just someone who had a lot of trouble trying to figure this out when I first started rendering videos, and I needed a lot of help. So I was hoping that I could make a video for maybe other people out there who also had trouble with that and didn't want a lot of technical jargon, but just a simple laid out way to be able to render and save your videos so that you could put them on YouTube. We're done. It says completed in 1 minute, 18 seconds. Very nice. So right there, we are done with this part. And the next part, I will show you how to get it all set on YouTube. Thanks for watching. All right, now we are on my main page for my YouTube channel. Right up here at the top, you're going to see this little, if I can find my mouse, you're going to see this little icon right here. And when you highlight it, it says create. So I'm going to create that, click that, and it's going to take me to YouTube Studio. You have to have YouTube Studio to be able to put videos on YouTube, and it's free. You just go to youtubestudio.com and create an account. So let me show you that again. So now I've been on my little YouTube video here, my page. So I'm going back to my channel. I'm going up to this icon here, the create, pushing that button, and then upload video. Here I've got my upload videos, select files. So remember how we saved our file? So I'm selecting my file, and then I'm going right here under videos, just like I did before. And I should have 2 with my cookies because I made one already and posted it for Saturday, and then we're making one today with y'all, which is exciting. So there's my video. And here we are on the gluten-free no-bake cookies in my van. You're going to have details, video elements, checks, visibility. Looks like a lot, but it's really not that much. So right now, my video is being uploaded to YouTube as we speak. So while it's doing that, we're going to come over here, make sure our title is what we want, which it is. Then we're going to do our description. So you're just going to tell a little bit about what your video is, but you want to put some pretty good info in there. Because when someone searches for a video like yours, you want to be able to let them know what's going to be in your video. So I'm using keywords. I'm just going to do this off the fly, so we'll see how it works. So I definitely want people to know that my cookies are gluten-free. I want them to know that they are no bake. I want them to know that they're in my van, because those are very big things for our channel. So you can talk about things that are with your channel. So I'm just going to say, join me as I make gluten-free no-bake cookies in my van. And I'm going to put an exclamation point because that's what I like. So then I would just keep going and talk about maybe some highlights of what the video is about. Then I'm going to put whatever else I want in there. The New Wave cooktop that I used, I'm going to put the link to that in there, where I bought it on Amazon. I'm going to put my Instagram account on there. I'm going to put all of that in this little description. If you have your thumbnail, then you upload that thumbnail here. You just hit upload file. Again, go to where you might have that stored. Usually I have those stored in downloads. And then you find your thumbnail, click it, and then open, and then it goes on there. And then you'll see your thumbnail over here on the right. Playlists. I don't have any playlists right now, and I need to look into doing that. No, it's not for kids. You want to make sure that you state that if it's not for kids, it's not for kids, because your content could be blocked because of some sort of something going on with if a child can't see it. Then we're going to do show more, because we want to put as many details as we can. No, we are not paid. We are not promoted by anyone right now. Do any of the following, describe your content. If you're making a video to make fun of somebody, or I don't know, read through that. I don't ever do that. So then you're just kind of scrolling down, adding tags. So tags are, I'm gonna put tags in mine. I watched a video on how people aren't doing tags anymore and how they don't matter. But for some reason, I still think they matter. So I'm going to put gluten-free as a tag. I'm going to put no bake. I'm going to put van life, etc. As many tags as you think that you might need for that. For me, English language, right there. I'm not putting a location. Then all this is just standard stuff. That's if you want to allow your video and audio remixing. If somebody wants to use your stuff, which I let them do. Most of my videos are travel and events, but you can pick what yours is about. And there's a list of them there. Because it's van life, I just tend to go travel and events. Then comments on, if you want people to be able to comment on your video. And you want to be able to see how many viewers like your video. Now, while that's still processing, we can still keep going. Here's for if you want to add subtitles, an end screen, all that kind of stuff. I don't do any of that. Checks, YouTube's going to check all that. So I hit next. Now right now, because my video is still processing, I'm going to hit private. And then once the video is done and I'm able to show it and I'm ready for it to be shown. Like for us, we try to post or upload videos on every Monday and Saturday. So I might keep mine private until that day that I want to publish it. So before you publish, check the following. Do kids appear in this video? So it looks like my video is done over here and I've already hit private. So I'm going to save. So now it's going to show up in my YouTube studio on my profile, on my channel, which you can see Roger and I over here. Roger and Tracy on YouTube, just so you know. Shameless plug. So here's my video and it's still trying to do its thing. Now underneath, you can see that I already did this video, no baked gluten-free cookies in my van, and I did a thumbnail. Created a thumbnail in Canva. And they do have a free program, canva.com, where you can create your own thumbnail, and or you can pay a yearly fee. So we have basically done the free one, and then now we're doing a 30-day trial to see if we might want to pay for it. So here we go, 10 minutes 32 seconds, just like that other one. And I ended up naming it the same thing, so that I'm on to something there. So this one's public because I've already published it. So then when you're ready to publish it, you hit private, and then you're going to click on publish, and then the save button will pop up and you'll be able to save it. And then I'm going to cancel that right now. So this is doing all of the rendering, all of the uploading that it does, and then it'll be ready for you to be able to hit public. Thanks for watching today. I hope this helped. I hope I went slow enough for you if you're a beginner. Love having this content because I struggled so much with this when I first started learning how to do it. So give me your feedback if this helped you. And I look forward to putting out more videos for you. And I hope you have an awesome day. Thanks so much.